Good morning, Achieve Charter School. It is so good to be here. It's Monday, April 12th. Hey, let's get started with the Pledge of Allegiance this morning. Can you please stand at attention? Salute. Pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Nice job. Go ahead and have a seat. Show a slant. Look what it says right down here. Hopefully you can read this. It's kind of weird with my arms and stuff in the background, but we did hard things. This week we're going to talk about celebrating some of the really hard things that we did this year, and also taking the MAP test and showing all of the things you've learned, right? So I want you to kind of think about this as like a finish line. You've done so many hard things this year. You've done new kinds of learning. You've had new goals, and right now you get to celebrate and show all of the amazing things that you did. So during that MAP test, I want you to think today about something that you did this year that you're really proud of. And when you think of that, that's going to help us to slow down, take our time, take it seriously, right? I'll start. Here's one. I can say the Pledge of Allegiance now. If you don't know what I'm talking about, last year, 2 years ago, right after the fire, I was recording some morning assembly videos because we were all spread out all over the place, and I completely messed up on the Pledge of Allegiance and just totally forgot it. I got stage fright, right? Well, here's what happened next. The next day I got up and I practiced it a whole bunch of times. I was sitting in this bedroom in my brother's house, and I read it a whole bunch of times. I'm like, I'm good to go. And I started morning assembly and I completely failed it again, right? After that, I was scared to even try. So scared to try it on my own that all of last school year during distance learning, when we did morning assembly and I was on Facebook Live, I read it off of a piece of paper every single day. Not one day did I try and do it on my own. This year I decided that's not going to work. That's not going to cut it. I need to be able to say the Pledge of Allegiance by myself without getting nervous, because I actually knew the Pledge of Allegiance. I could say it just fine as long as the camera wasn't on, but I just had this weird thing in my head. So there's one hard thing I'm proud of. I overcame that. You have a whole bunch of other hard things. I want to hear this morning about what goals you've met this school year, what new things you've learned, what obstacles you had to push through. Oh, I want to hear about this. Here's a thing you should be proud of. Summit grades. Your year pages look better than ever. Our Summit data looks absolutely amazing. There are so many people that are all green or nearly all green or have awesome grades. You've worked through some hard things in Summit this year. So let's share out this morning what are some things you're proud of. Now, also to go with testing this week, quick announcement here, Mrs. Siegel and some amazing middle schoolers have been planning some fun events, and the first one is today. So even if you don't start testing until tomorrow, you still get to do the fun event today. Today they're doing some sidewalk chalk art, and I think they're going to have some music going maybe out at lunchtime today. So have fun with that. There's going to be another one on Wednesday, we'll tell you that. And we're going to get some other people in morning assembly this week to talk to you, and you're going to actually see some middle schoolers talking and all kinds of fun stuff this week. So have a great week. Work hard. Take your time. You know all that stuff. And here's the time to really shine and show off everything that you've learned this year. Have a great day, Achieve.